I want to talk about how to pick the right colors. It can be tricky with the Google Draw color picker to get the colors that you want. So there's something I want to show you. If I click on like my face and I click on the fill color and we go to custom, you'll notice at the top it says hex and then it has like a code here. Hex is basically like a color number. And so this can be really helpful because what you can do is switch over and you can look up something like Hex Skin Tones, right? And so if you look at something like this, there's like little cheat sheets here that show you like different skin tones and they give you the codes for them. So you can figure out which matches your skin tone appropriately. And there's a whole bunch of these, so you're not just stuck with this one. But if I find one that I like for me, FFCC99 would work. I'm going to go back to my portrait and actually type that into the box and then hit OK. And now I have this skin tone that it seems more accurate than if I had tried to pick it myself. It can be really difficult to just pick it out of the color picker. So, and the other really helpful thing is once I have that skin tone, if I go and click on another shape like this one, my above my eyes, my lids here, if I click on these and then I click custom, I can now, if I just want to get a darker shade, I can just drag the dot and it'll take it kind of in that same tone but just darker. So again, like I could start by clicking on this, the skin tone I started with, and then click custom, and I can get into kind of the darker range here. So that starts to create a sense of shading and dimension.